today I'm going to be making slime. So, first thing you're going to need to make slime is borax, or maybe something else, like there's Elmer's activator, and then you can also use eye contact solution, but I'm using borax, and you'll need some water too. You're going to need 2 bowls, and I just have this so I don't make a mess. You're going to need school glue or whatever glue you can find, paint or food coloring, or whatever you have to color it, the blue. And then if you're going to put in any like glitter or anything, you're going to put that in at the very end. So let's get started. These glues always have, oh, it's open. That's cool. I've never bought a glue with that's open. So you're gonna pour this in one bowl. If you're making a tiny slime, you could probably just make a little bit. And sorry. And you're gonna, if you're making like the amount of slime like this, you're gonna pour all of it out. Okay, that'll be it. Whoa. I'll put that much in. Oh gosh, it's gonna get all over. Okay. Also, you're gonna pour water in here. Then you're gonna take your borax, pour a little bit in it. Oh, that'll be enough. I don't have a spoon right now, so I'll just mix it with my hands. Then you're gonna let this dissolve. While we're waiting for that, we can, I don't know.
Put the color in the glue.
Okay.
Which color are you going to use?
I'm going to use blue, because that's my favorite color. Okay. Okay. Okay, that'll be enough. It's dripping off the side. I'm scared. Oh.
Get it on the towel.
I won't. Hopefully.
Do you need to mix it?
No.
No, do you need to mix the glue?
Dad, could you give me a spoon? Yeah. Okay. Good. I think that'll be good enough. Ooh, it's really pretty. Blue bowl, blue slime. Ooh, it's sky blue. I love that. Okay, I'm gonna pour in this. A little bit at a time. Still gluey. I'm gonna add a little bit more paint. Ooh, yay! It'll be dark blue now. That's what I wanted it. There we go. That's a little bit more darker. There, that's the color I wanted it. Oh gosh, it's got on my hands. I'm gonna add a little bit more borax to the water. Oh, okay. Okay. Okay, hopefully that'll work. Kind of scared right now. When it actually becomes slime. Sometimes it doesn't work, so I'm hoping this will work. Okay, let's see. It's still gluey, so I'm kind of scared.
Just pour the whole rest of it in.
You need more borax.
Okay. Ooh, okay, that's
You think that's enough?
yeah.
Mix it up. Dissolve it. Keep mixing it.
I've done this a whole bunch of times, so
No more glue.
Just not much will come out, and you put pretty much all of it in.
I don't know.
No
Just
more
make-
glue.
Okay. There's no more in there.
Okay, pour it in there now. Still not. Here, let me mix it.
Well, while we're waiting, I'm gonna mix this up a little bit more because it's kind of not mixed. Ooh, it's kind of coming up. Kind of beginning to come slime, but it's still a little bit watery, as you can see. It's kind of activating. Oh, I just wrinkled it. Okay. Can I pour some more in?
It's gotta dissolve or it won't work. Right?
Yep. Well, while we're waiting for my dad to do that, type down in the comments below what color would you put in your slime. It can be any color, and you can pick out these or pick any color because there's any color. Yeah, so comment down below and hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Okay. Let's see. Okay, this is gonna get my hands messy. Gosh. Ugh. I hate that sound. Oh, it's coming out. I knew that would work. Okay, thanks, Dad. Okay, let's see. There. Ooh, it's forming.
Mix it good. Mix it faster. Spill it though.
Ooh, it's becoming slime. Add a little bit more in. There. It looks like weird.
Keep mixing it. You gotta keep stirring it. Just mix it up good.
I'm so excited to play with this. It's so fun making slime. It's making the weirdest sound when I mix it. Because I'm turning the bowl.
Is it done?
Almost.
You need to put a little bit more in.
Yeah. It's activating on my finger because I touched it and now it's on my finger. Okay, think I'm gonna go in with my hands now. Ooh, it feels so cool.
Mix it up in there.
It's not ready yet because it's sticking to your hands.
Well, you gotta play with it.
Put it in the bowl more and mix it up. Add a little more water in there now.
Could you? Because my hands are not free. Okay, that's a little bit at a time, or else it'll mess up.
You know better than me.
Because you've never made slime before.
Don't get the blue on your shirt though.
Oh no, that would be bad. Hopefully this doesn't stain my
mixing.
hands. It'll probably.
It won't stain.
Okay. I'll just wash my hands. Oh, it feels so cool. Oh, I love the crunch. Ooh, can you hear the popping sound? I love it. It's almost forming. And sometimes you can add some lotion to make it stretchier. I'm probably not going to do that in this video, but ooh, I love it. I love it so much.
Get it all over your hand. Get it all off. Is it starting to form?
Oh yeah, it is. Yeah, it's forming. It's starting to not stick anymore. So after you start like mixing it and everything, it will start to not stick to your hands anymore, and it could become stretchy slime, breakable slime, like that. Slime that's not as good sometimes, and
Depends on the
really good.
ingredients, I guess, how much you do it. If you do it just right, it'll be perfect slime, huh?
Yeah.
Okay.
Wait, we're gonna do some tests on it, so let's see if it's clicky. Not as clicky as I would imagine, but
Or as you like it.
Okay, let's get a baggie and put it in there.
just a sec. And then,
Finish getting all that off the bowl.
Do you want to get her a baggie, Dad? And then
Get
she
it
can
off the bowl. Put more in there.
take it to her friend's house.
Roll it around.
yeah,
Oh.
after this video, I'm gonna go to my friend's house. And then we're gonna make another video today about figure skating, because I'm a figure skater. We're gonna teach you how to put on skates and skate like little tiny steps to becoming as good as me. I'm not a professional, but I'm a figure skater, so there we go. Now the drop test. Going pretty fast. Yeah, like it. And then the
Finish getting
swirl.
it off your hands. Keep working on it. And go wash your hands. How's that?
Yeah.
Put it in the bag.
But you
go
gotta
wash
put
your
it in the
hands.
bag.
Okay, ready?
You gotta make sure to keep it without
Now
air
the
getting
swirl
to it, or
test.
it'll dry up.
What's a swirl test?
You'll see.
Let's see.
Okay, gotta stretch it. See if it'll make a good swirl. That's a pretty nice one. Now it's clicky. This is the clickiest slime I've ever made. Okay. I love this sound.
Okay, your friend's waiting for you. So
Okay.
put it in the bag.
just gonna tell them a little bit about it and then we'll be done.
Put it in the bag.
So, if you have some kind of container, you'll want to put it in there because it will dry up if you leave it all night or all day because it's glue and glue dries. So, if you leave it out too long, then it will become dry and it won't be that good of slime. So, comment down below again what kind of slime you would make. There's cloud slime, there's school slime, there's even butter slime. And I love making that because it spreads like butter when you put a knife on it and spread it. So hopefully you enjoyed this video. Again, subscribe because we want to get a lot of subscribers. Thank you for watching this. Bye-bye.